Friends, Huawei Y9A comes with Android 10, EMUI 10.1, but there is no Google Play services, and powered by MediaTek Helio G80 processor with 2.2 GHz octa-core and GPU Mali G52 MC2. Whereas Huawei P40 Pro runs Android 10, EMUI 10.1 and powered by Kirin 990 processor with 2.86 GHz octa-core with GPU Mali G76 MP16. If we see the display of this device, you can find 6.63 inches screen size with IPS LCD display that comes with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels with 397 ppi pixels density. Whereas in Huawei P40 Pro, OLED display covers 6.58 inches of the front screen with resolution of 2640 by 1200 pixels with 441 ppi pixels density. Talking about the internal memory, then Huawei Y9A is available in 128GB with 6 or 8GB RAM and also supports up to 256GB nano shared memory. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in space silver, sakura pink and midnight black colors. Moving on to Huawei P40 Pro, it is available in different variants of primary storages, that is 128GB, 256GB and 512GB with 8GB RAM, and also supports nano memory up to 256GB. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in silver frost, blush gold, deep sea blue, ice white and black colors. If we talk about the dimension of Huawei Y9A, it measures 163.5 by 76.5 by 9 mm of height, width, thickness and 197 grams of weight with a dual nano SIM support. Whereas Huawei P40 Pro measures 158.2 by 72.6 by 9 mm of height, width, thickness and 209 grams of weight with hybrid dual nano SIM option. About the camera, then Huawei Y9A comes with quad camera setup, that is 64, 8, 2 and 2 megapixels with 1.8, 2.4, 2.4 and 2.4 apertures respectively, with wide angle, ultra wide angle, macro and depth sensor. It shoots out videos of 4K and full HD at 30 frames per second and also equipped with a motorized selfie camera of 16 megapixels with 2.2 aperture wide angle and that can record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera of Huawei P40 Pro, it comes with a quad camera setup, that is 50 megapixels plus 12 plus 40 plus TOF 3D megapixels cameras with wide periscope, telephoto, ultra wide with the depth sensor and 5x optical zoom with LED flash and panorama. It shoots out videos up to 2160p at 30 or 60 frames per second with HDR, gyro EIS and also equipped with dual 32 megapixels secondary camera with 2.2 aperture wide angle autofocus and IR-TOF 3D secondary camera with up to 2160p at 30 or 60 frames per second video recording. Friends, in Huawei Y9A you can find side-mounted fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like proximity, compass, accelerometer and a gyroscope. This phone comes with Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth, dual band GPS, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go and fast battery charging. This phone is powered by a non-removable 4200 mAh battery as well. Whereas Huawei P40 Pro comes with under-display optical fingerprint sensor with infrared face recognition. It also comes with some more sensors like compass, accelerometer, proximity and color spectrum with gyroscope. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth, NFC, GPS hotspot, infrared port, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go and fast battery charging with 40 watts. This phone is powered by non-removable 4200 mAh battery as well. So that was the quick comparison of both the smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.